Okay, today I'm looking at a Kung Fu Master board. While it works 100% fine on my test bench and in my Jamma cab, the owner is having problems getting to sync, and I've heard of this a few times actually. So I'm basically tracing out the sync signal manually, as I don't have schematics for this. So it's actually a really complicated path it follows. It goes up here, then across the board, across here to here, then across the board up to there, then through here on the back, and then across the back of the board, or across the front of the board over to here, then up to here. So the sync signal is coming from the bottom board, which I'll put down here. So I'm just going to trace that out into this board. Okay, so I've traced the signal across this board to this resistor here. This is a 1K resistor, basically going from the output. This is a sync chip output here, and it goes through this 1K resistor. When I looked at it on the scope, the sync signal was 2 volts point to point. I'm wondering if maybe the owner's having a problem with that being too low. So what I'm going to do is just solder a resistor in parallel across this one to reduce that to about half that, and we'll see what it looks like on the scope. Okay, that's working perfectly still on my test bench. And looking at the sync signal, we've got 2.5 volts peak to peak on the sync signal. That's well within spec for an arcade monitor, so we'll have to see if it's any better. Another thing I've done for the owner is I've taken his Jamma adapter and I've added some common ground wires on to common up the video ground and the main cabinet grounds as well. So with the improved sync voltage and the common grounds, I'm hoping this should solve the problem for him.